Hi friends, my name is Joshua. We are from Auxilium School, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. We are happy to participate in Vikasita Bharat. We are happy to do Kondapalli project. The Kondapalli is famous for its lightweight wooden toys known as Kondapalli Bommalu, which are handcrafted in a style that is hundreds of years old.
Hi friends, my name is L. Nageswara. I am studying in Auxilium High School in Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, we are happily to do this project, the Kondapalli. The Kondapalli is famous for their lightweight toys and beautiful colors.
Hi friends, my name is S. Satvik. I am studying 8th class. We are from Auxilium English Medium High School in Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. We are happy to participate in Vikasit Bharat projects. The wood is used to make Kondapalli toys is Stella Conki which are found in Kondapalli hills.
Hi friends, my name is N. Karthik. We are from Auxilium Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. We are happily to do Vikasita Bharat. We are happily to do Kondapalli toys. The wooden toys are also made in ancient Egypt where children played with dolls and animals, small chariots made from wood.
Thank you.
Thank you.